Hello friends, today we will talk about indexing in DataFrame. But before starting with indexing, let's first understand DataFrame a bit. So DataFrame is a two-dimensional data structure in Python which stores data in a tabular format. Let's see one of the DataFrame. So this is our DataFrame. This is a two-dimensional data structure. So similarly, we are having one-dimensional data structure as well in pandas that is called as series. Let's create a series from a list of values. Now let's try to print it. So this is our series. With this we can say data frame is nothing but the combination of two or more series. This gives us the extra dimension to pandas data frame. So here for two dimensional data structure, that is data frame, one axis which is similar to x axis becomes column or column names, and for y axis we have something called as an index. Hence for series or data frame, the y-axis will always be index or index value. Let's look into the code. Here, the series which we created was from a list. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have not mentioned any index parameter. So Python by default assigns an index, that is serial number, starting from 0 of data type int 64. Now let's create a series with a custom index. We'll take those values 4 and 5, and now we will add one extra parameter, index 5, 6, 7. So now if I try to print this, we can also set it in this in another way, like set first we will create one series here, and then we will use one method that is set axis, and here we can mention these values. So this will also give us the pretty much same result, the series with our custom index values. So for data frame it looks like this, means we can create it in a custom index data frame, DFF. Axis, let's say some numbers 45, 67, 32, 11. So now if we try to print this, so here we have created a data frame with a custom index values. Now we can also set a column as an index in data frame. Now we can do it in this way. First let's just create a column. Let's take a new column, price, and some values 24, 34, 15, 16, 56. And now let's just try to print this. So here we have added one more column, and the index remains same, that is the default index which was assigned to the data frame 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we will see how we can set this column as an index of a data frame. So this can be done in this way. custom index. So here we have created the means we have converted the price column as an index of this data frame. Right now, data frame can also have multi-index, like two columns can be made as an index of a data frame. So this can be done in this manner. We will just take this, put it in a list. Now if we see here we have created multi-index, and now we are only having one column in a data frame. Right. So till now we have only created index of a numerical value. Let's create index with some string data type. Here we can also use set access parameters, so we'll see how set access and set index are different from each other. CDE, let's take CDE, let's take DEF, and let's take ABC. So here we can also have index with string values, and also there can be duplicate index in a data frame or series. We can check this with this below method, like index and dot is, we can use unique, and it returns false. If it is true, that means we have unique index value, which is not true in our case, as in this case you can see ABC is repeating 2 times here. So this was all about the basic of indexes. In next part we will particularly look at .lock and .ilog method, how both of these are different from each other. And for this video, if I have messed up or missed something, please mention in comments. Keep following for more such InShots. Thank you.